Years ago, there was a well-known temple in a village Ratnapura. A priest used to perform puja in that temple every day. That priest had an elephant of his own, which he took with him to the temple every day. All the village people liked the elephant very much. The elephant also used to warmly welcome all the devotees coming to the temple. After finishing the morning puja, the priest used to take his elephant to the pond for bathing. Every day, while returning home, after bathing in the pond, he used to stop at the tailor's shop. The tailor also lovingly gave the elephant a banana to eat every day. After eating the banana, the elephant used to greet the tailor with its trunk and go home with the priest. All this was a part of the everyday life of the elephant and the priest. One day, when the elephant stopped at the tailor's shop to eat a banana, the tailor felt like playing mischief. After giving the banana to the elephant, he kept the needle in his hand. As soon as the elephant greeted him, the tailor pricked its trunk with a needle. As soon as the needle pricked the elephant, it started moaning loudly. The tailor made fun of the elephant's pain and started laughing loudly. The priest did not know what happened. He caressed the elephant and took it to his home. Next day, again the priest and the elephant were returning from the pond. The priest stopped at some distance and started talking to the people. The elephant stopped at the tailor's shop as usual. Today the elephant had filled its trunk with mud. The tailor was sitting in his shop sewing clothes. As soon as the elephant saw the tailor, he threw mud all over his shop. Not only did the tailor get wet in that mud, but the stitched clothes of his shop also got spoiled. From this, the tailor understood that the elephant has punished me today for whatever I had done yesterday. The tailor realized his mistake and ran to the elephant. He tried to apologize to the elephant. He said, "Oh Gajraj, you have done absolutely right. This should be the result of what I did yesterday." The elephant looked at the tailor and walked away, waving his trunk in the air. The tailor was feeling very bad in his heart. Due to his pranks, he had lost his good friend, the elephant. From that day onwards, the tailor decided that he would not harm anyone, even as a joke. Lesson from the story. The lesson learned from the story of the tailor and the elephant is that one should not misbehave with anyone, not even joking.